hang on, wait a minute. Ah! Okay, hey, how you doing? My name is Alex, and if you like cars and tools and cameras and anything tech, basically I think you're really gonna like this video. I'm getting some awesome accessories for my Defender, and well, the new set that we started in the last video kind of look finished. It looks cool as a backdrop, but the thing is, it's meant to be functional for me to actually use it. With a brand new set of tools, this pegboard should be able to hold everything. I've already bought some of my favorite tapes, and then we've got this dope tool chest, which at the moment isn't full of any tools, but at the end of this video hopefully should be. Now while I've got you guys, I just want to say thanks. I feel like a retired vlogger, and the fact that you guys still come back and watch my content really warms my heart. Okay, it's getting on to 9 AM now, and we need to sort the Defender. Basically, right, so all of this makes sense to you. I think the best thing for me to do would be to show you guys the Defender as it is now, and then we'll take a look at it later with all the new accessories. And ladies and gentlemen, there she is, my 2020 Land Rover Defender. The car is cool as is, but one of the main reasons I bought it was so that I could take my ladders to locations for work, basically. But I can't put my ladders on top there. There's no roof rack. So I've just got in here to show you guys that if you put the ride height on its maximum, which it is right now, you can see literally how tall this thing is. I've got to like climb on it to get onto the roof. A way to actually get onto the roof. Now I'm not sure what these are actually going to look like, but I've ordered them and they're getting fitted today. So this is what it looks like without mud flaps, and hopefully, well, we'll have mud flaps on later. That was the colour. I'm not sure if you guys can see that, but that green colour of that Defender is what I wanted. However, I'm not sure if you guys know this, but there's actually a 2-year waiting list on these Defenders. So if you spec one up and order one, you're gonna be waiting 2 years until you get it. And I have this one because, well, I literally just bought it from the showroom. If you just stay in your car, I'll get someone out for you. Lovely, thank you, mate. Okay, I've been told that I've got to drive the Defender. What is going on? So this is where all the Land Rovers come to get serviced, in this little secret bit. That's sick. Buddy. Amazing, so I've managed to tax a lift back home from the Land Rover garage. What is that Mac doing? Haven't been to the office all weekend. I come in and there's something wrong. Anyway, managed to get a lift from the garage back to the office. I'm buzzed to see the car later. Super excited. I can see 2 things in here. First, my BMW key, which means I'd still have a card for today. And second, this parcel. Oh no! We have magical packing peanuts and lots of them, and hopefully these should reveal 3, 2, 1. Oh, that was awful. Can you guys make out what this is yet? Oh, look at that. Okay, so this is what I am calling Big Daddy Ronin. I have never owned a gimbal this big before. I bought an X display unit. These things are about $1,000. Basically, I've owned DJI gimbals in the past, and between you and me, they've been absolutely awful. I'm hoping that this one should do it. Okay, so I've switched over to my phone. As you can see, we're recording on the camera. Here goes nothing. Sick. Is that it? Does this now work as advertised? No.
A few moments later.
Now what I think I need to do is click on start calibration. Okay, now let's see what happens. It's shaking. Okay, auto tune 100%. What? Oh, there it is. Third time lucky, please work 100%. Are we done? Way! Okay, does it work now? Does it work? Oh, it stabilizes the camera. It works as advertised. This thing is rapid, absolutely rapid. Okay, now whilst I'm testing out this gimbal, I'm gonna tell you about today's video sponsor, Skillshare. Now I've stuck a telephoto lens on this gimbal because telephoto lenses are much harder to stabilize. Now last year, I did a course on Skillshare about how to use these gimbals, and that's how I know that telephoto lenses are harder to stabilize. So hopefully, this looks really smooth still. So this is the course that I did a couple months back, DJI Ronin S by Brian Garcia. And as you can see here, It's 51 minutes long. To be honest, I know they say it's like a course. This really, for me, just beats reading the manual. You know what I'm saying? Down here, you can, well, at a glance, check on the level of the course to make sure you're not biting off more than you can chew. And you can also see how many students each course has. Another thing that I really like is you don't have to sit through the entire course. You can go to a course and literally skip through it. As you can see, you can go to different sections throughout the course just to learn the things that you want to learn. There are literally courses on here for absolutely anything, and the good part about it is it's only $10 a month if you pay annually. But even better than that, well, the first 1,000 of you guys that use my custom link in the description will get a free trial to a premium Skillshare membership. So with that being said, thanks Skillshare for sponsoring the video, and happy learning. Okay, there we go. Obviously, first time using this gimbal, it's huge. It's unlike anything I've ever used before, so let me know how smooth those shots were in the comments. Figured this out as well. I can actually, using this little dial, just tilt you guys side to side. How'd you like that? Is that a little bit sicky, a little bit motion sicky? Okay, so all back from the office. Here's the gimbal. Super stoked about this. Here's my old one, by the way. Doesn't work at all, so if anybody wants this, then let me know in the comments. But rightly so, as you guys can see, we have had a few deliveries here, and I also went to Screwfix to pick up a few things like all of this, and this. Okay, that is absolutely sick. These are some like really small little hex screwdrivers for projects. Ah. Okay, these are all of the doohickeys that are gonna help me put things on the rack. Like this is a special one here. This one in particular, it has all these holes in it. So here's the pegboard itself. I should hopefully be able to apply this something like that. And then if we crack open this set that I got from Screwfix, is that even recording? Okay, so there we are. I have positioned all of these items and tools on here. I'm not sure as to whether there's some order that you're meant to put things on a pegboard like screwdrivers down the bottom, but this is what I've managed to come up with, and I'm hoping, other than anything, it looks good in the background, because obviously that's one of the main uses for this. It needs to look good as a background. But you shall have to let me know what you think of this below. Anything I should add, anything I should take away, let me know, and hopefully the shots with the Ronin were super smooth. I've spent about 2 hours on this. I thought it was going to take me half an hour, so we need to go pick up the Defender. Actually, because of COVID, I'm going to go pick up the car by myself, and then we'll check it out when I get back. Okay, so yeah, I'm back. I'm over the moon with the Defender. It looks awesome. You lot will have to let me know in the comments which car you prefer to take. Okay, so M2 there, old school. Here's the Defender. Let me turn this camera around. 3, 2, 1. Okay, so I'm super stoked with the service at Land Rover. They've done everything I asked for and more. And they even cleaned the car and put tyre black on the wheels. Now, the reason I'm telling you this is because 2 weeks ago, I took my BMW in to get a service and they wouldn't even wash it for me. Land Rover, well, they're loving it. Okay, so this is the side step or side ladder. Yes, I know it looks small, it comes out. These are the massive mud flaps, so I've got ones on the back here and then some smaller ones on the front. Look how big this wheel arch is. And then obviously, as you can see on the top there, the roof rack. Just in here, there should be a small set of keys. Wait a minute. Look, there's a ladder! That is insane! I'm so high up right now. I don't even know what to say. My car has got a ladder on the side of it. That is unreal. So all that you have to do here is put the key in, pull this lever, and then pull that down like that. And then you could climb onto the roof using the wheel, obviously like that, but it doubles down and then it's extra long. So now you can just, well, climb on it from the ground. That is sick. Unreal. Right, it's starting to get dark outside. Atlas, what do you think of the cars? Do you like them? Not really? You like the Defender, don't you? Because it's your space and you can sit in the back. Yes, Alex, I like the Defender. It's my favourite. Okay, I think this video is getting long enough. I do hope you've enjoyed. That was too abrupt. I've forgotten how to end a YouTube video. Drop a like if you did, and let me know in the comments what part of the video you enjoyed and what you want me to do more of. Do you want to see more car stuff? Do you want us to go off-roading? Do you want us to do more setup stuff? Let me know. But with that being said, guys, I'll see you in the next one. Peace.
I'm coming straight to your eardrums. I'm coming straight to your eardrums.